Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use a voice changer on Discord Mobile. Alright, let's begin. For the first step, you need to open the App Store. And if you're using Android, you can open the Play Store. From there, simply search for Voice Mod. Once you find it, install the app. And after the installation is complete, open it. After opening, you will find a bunch of options to change your voice. Click on the three lines at the top left corner and tap on Account. Here, you have to create your account in order to use this app. After creating an account, open your Discord app. Once you are on the home screen, click on your profile icon at the bottom right side, then tap on the gear icon at the top right side to open Settings. Scroll down until you find the App Settings section and tap on Voice. Inside the voice settings, open the input mode and you will see the option to select Voice Mod. In case the option is not showing up, there is an alternative way. Simply close the app and open your browser. Search for Discord and open it from there. Once inside, tap on the three dots menu and select Desktop Site. After turning that on, log into Discord. Once logged in, repeat the same steps shown earlier, and you will be able to select Voice Mod as your input. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use a voice changer on Discord Mobile. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.